Q3886. Why should special precautions be taken when filling the propane bottles? A. Propane is transferred from the storage tanks to the propane bottles under high pressure. B. During transfer, propane reaches a high temperature and can cause severe burns. C. Propane vapor is super cold and may cause severe freeze burns. The correct answer is C. Special precautions should be taken when filling propane bottles because propane vapor is super cold and can cause severe freeze burns. During the transfer of propane, the rapid expansion of the liquid propane can lead to a significant drop in temperature, resulting in extremely cold vapor. Direct contact with the skin can cause freeze burns, so proper protective measures should be in place when handling propane during refilling. 3895. All fuel tanks should be fired during pre-flight to determine A. The burner pressure and condition of the valves. B. That the pilot light functions properly on each tank. C. If there are any leaks in the tank. The correct answer is A. The burner pressure and condition of the valves. Firing the fuel tanks during pre-flight allows the pilot to check the burner pressure and the condition of the valves. By firing the tanks, the pilot can ensure that the burner is functioning properly, producing the required heat for inflation and flight. Additionally, this process helps in identifying any potential issues with the valves, such as leaks or blockages, which are crucial for maintaining the desired gas flow and pressure within the airship. 3896. What is a recommended ascent upon initial launch? A. Maximum ascent to altitude to avoid low-level thermals. B. Shallow ascent to avoid flashbacks of flames as the envelope is cooled. C. A moderate rate ascent to determine wind directions at different levels. The correct answer is C. A recommended ascent upon initial launch is a moderate rate ascent to determine wind directions at different levels. Ascending at a moderate rate allows the pilot to observe and assess the wind patterns at various altitudes, which helps in making informed decisions about navigation and maneuvering during the flight. It provides valuable information about wind conditions that can influence the direction and duration of the balloon flight. 3897. What is a potential hazard when climbing at maximum rate? A. The envelope may collapse. B. Deflation ports may be forced open. C. The rapid flow of air may extinguish the burner and pilot light. The correct answer is B. Deflation ports may be forced open. Climbing at the maximum rate can generate a rapid flow of air over the envelope of the airship. This increased airflow exerts pressure on the deflation ports, which are designed to allow controlled deflation of the envelope. If the airship ascends at the maximum rate, the force of the airflow may be strong enough to force open the deflation ports, leading to uncontrolled deflation of the envelope. This can compromise the stability and safety of the airship during the ascent. 3898. How should a round out from a moderate rate ascent to level flight be made? A. Reduce the amount of heat gradually as the balloon is approaching altitude. B. Cool the envelope by venting and add heat just before arriving at altitude. C. Vent at altitude and add heat upon settling back down to altitude. The correct answer is A. Reducing the amount of heat gradually as the balloon is approaching altitude allows for a controlled ground out from a moderate rate ascent to level flight. This approach ensures a smooth transition by gradually decreasing the rate of ascent and leveling off the balloon as it reaches the desired altitude. It helps to avoid abrupt changes in altitude and promotes a stable flight.